A good weeknight dinner can sometimes feel hard to find, and this is one of those. This is a good weeknight dinner. These are Chinese chicken wraps is what I call them. They're inspired by the Chinese chicken wraps Joey's. If you know them, then you know these are fabulous. And it turns out they're also super easy. So to start, I'm gonna combine my onion that's been chopped, a couple of cloves of garlic, and 2 pounds of ground chicken in a skillet, and we're gonna get that cooking. We'll add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to the pan to get it going. We're gonna cook that until the meat is browned, which should take 5 to 10 minutes. While the meat cooks with the onions and the garlic, we're gonna chop up some veggies. I'm adding bell pepper, zucchini, and green onion. This is one of those things that I love to add vegetables to because they're not totally necessary or in the original, but it just adds a little bit more value to the dinner. When the veggies are chopped, we're gonna set them aside and keep browning our meat, and we're gonna make the sauce. Once the sauce is made, this dinner's basically done. We're gonna let the veggies cook with the sauce and the meat to just steam out and get some flavor and everything. And then we'll serve it over lettuce wraps. You can also just serve it over rice. I do that all the time too, especially with teenagers. They need a little bit more than just the lettuce. But our sauce, we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of hoisin, some soy sauce, some rice vinegar, ginger, honey, chili oil, and a little chicken stock because a lot of this is gonna evaporate as it's cooking. The trick with getting ginger to grate the way you want it to grate is to freeze it. So as soon as you bring that bulb home, peel it and then stick it in the freezer. And when you go to grate it, it just goes like magic. Otherwise, it gets pretty gummy and it's hard to do. All right, the last thing I'm gonna do is chop a can of water chestnuts, just rough chop so they're not whole water chestnuts. I usually buy the sliced ones so they're almost there anyway. Then our meat is browned, so we're gonna add the vegetables. I'm just gonna chunk it up. Add the vegetables to the top, pour in the sauce, and we're gonna let that steam together for just like 5 to 10 minutes until the vegetables get a little bit soft and you can see that the sauce has been absorbed all the way through the meat. You can totally customize what vegetables you have here too. We end up with a ton of zucchini in the summer, so zucchini is the right choice. But if you have carrots or celery, those are great in here too. This is such a simple dinner. It's on repeat in our house. It's easy, it's fast, and full of vegetables, which is always great to add in there. We love it. I think you'll love it. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And I will see you here next time.